Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm about to show you guys how you can initiate a refund on Temu app. Well, first off, to initiate a refund on Temu, let's just open up a Temu app over here. Now once we're on the home page, we can simply just tap on you, and then we can tap on the headsets over here. It stands for support. Okay, now once I'm here, I'm gonna simply just tap on contact us. And here I'll just type in, can I get a refund? And hit send. And once you do that, you just give them the order number, whatever they require, and the team would initiate a refund based on whatever the eligibility criteria is on Temu platform. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing and helpful content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.